media consumption versus media usage. You know, the old school is let's just look at this big, broad picture. And we're really trying to work on how is someone consuming that? You know, that's a lot of the stuff that we've done with Pandora, or we just got acknowledged from Google Mobile with some of the work that we've done with mobile, is really understanding how somebody consuming this. Not just that they're there, not just that they have a Facebook account or a Twitter account. And what are some of your thoughts about looking into some of the consumption of a Facebook and a Twitter?
Well, you know, they're different, right? And this is why I believe that somewhere on the team, hence hybrid theory, you need a digital sociologist.
Yeah.
You need someone who's understanding how not just the culture is emerging within these networks, how interaction is transpiring within those subgroups, those what I call niche works, people who are connected around a particular interest group, and how they're consuming and how they're sharing, because it's different. It's just because it's one network doesn't necessarily mean that it's one prevailing democracy. Everything is different, and that's what makes it so valuable. However, without understanding that, what we're doing is just marketing to it the way that we've used any form of media, and that is top down. Here's a message. Here's something fun to play with. Go viral, and that's it. Where I believe that the true opportunity is understanding what's going to make a personal connection and inspire someone to share it, and really activate or empower someone to then turn around and feed it into their stream willfully and proudly.
Because when you really connect, it's on one level that's like advertising not interested in it, but on the other level, the deeper level that you're talking about, if that media, if that messaging connects, they will throw it out. They'll become an evangelist. They'll become a real fan.
Absolutely. And that's the point that we have to remember, is that we are now, because of this marketing to an audience with an audience, you have to remember that it's not just about the customer anymore, right? It's now, I call it the role of the social consumer, because at any moment they could be a customer, they could be a peer, they could be an advocate, they could be an adversary, they could be an idea box. They can be all of these things at once or at different intervals over time. We have to just take that into account when we're trying to engage with whom and where and to what extent, because you can't make that last mile connection, as I call it, without understanding what it is you represent, why it's beneficial or valuable to that individual, and how they can get value out of it, and then in turn introduce that value to their stream.
And a lot of people are struggling with that right now. You know?
Absolutely. Well, because a lot of people aren't necessarily taking the time to answer that. And let's look at Old Spice, right? Because Old Spice, I think, is getting a lot of love and praise for their the Old Spice guy.
Yeah. Well, and now he's doing all these other things as well.
Right. He's creating custom videos based on conversations within social networks. It's brilliant. Yeah. Absolutely brilliant. And I call that sort of connecting that last mile, because really what it's doing is it's taking what was some brilliant creative and now connecting it directly to the individual. And it's right on the last mile. It's almost about to make that complete connection. But what we also need to remember is that there's a brand persona, there's a brand essence. You know, Old Spice stands for something, and it stands for something that might be more common than they realize, and that's my dad's or my grandfather's product.
Exactly. This was an iconic brand for grandfathers and fathers, and now they've reinvented it and re-energized it.
And they're re-energizing, they're reinventing it, but the individuals that they're connecting with, they're creating a ton of wonderful buzz. But is it connecting that last mile where it shifts from being my dad's product to being my product?
And that's going to be the question,
right?
Is what's the ROI?